Take a deep breath. Listen carefully. These words are not just to be heard, they are to be felt. There comes a moment in every life when strength runs out, when plans collapse, when the heart grows tired of fighting. And in that silence, a voice whispers, "Be still. I am with you." Not when life is easy, not when you are perfect, but right now, in your struggle. You may feel unseen, unappreciated, forgotten. But you are not forgotten. Every tear you hide, every silent prayer you whisper, every battle you fight alone is seen. The world teaches you to rush, to compete, to prove your worth. But God's wisdom says, you are already enough. You do not need to become worthy of love. You were created in love. There will be days when doors close, opportunities vanish, and people walk away. Do not mistake closed doors for abandonment. Sometimes, protection looks like loss. What was removed from your life was not meant to break you. It was meant to free you. When fear whispers, "You cannot survive this," faith answers, "You will rise from this." You were not created to live in fear. You were created to walk in purpose. Look at your life. Every challenge you survived, every pain you endured, every storm you walked through, you are still here. That is not luck. That is grace. There is power in patience, power in faith, power in trusting what you cannot see. Seeds grow in darkness before they ever touch the light. So if you feel buried, remember this truth: you are being planted. Do not rush your season. Winter prepares what spring reveals. Some of you are waiting for a miracle, but sometimes you are the miracle. You woke up today. You are breathing. You still have another chance. That is not ordinary. That is mercy. Let go of what you cannot control. Release the weight you were never meant to carry. You were not created to carry tomorrow's worries today. When anxiety rises, return to this promise: I will give you rest. Rest does not mean weakness. Rest means trust. You are stronger than you think, because strength is quiet endurance. Forgive those who hurt you, not because they deserve it, but because your peace deserves it. Do not allow bitterness to live where hope should grow. You are not defined by your past, not by your failures, not by your lowest moment. You are defined by who you are becoming. Every day is a new beginning. Every breath is a new chance. If you feel lost, be patient. Even the night must end. Light does not fight darkness. It simply appears, and darkness disappears. Let faith be your light. Let hope be your direction. Let love be your strength. Walk forward even when unsure. Trust even when afraid. Believe even when you cannot see the outcome. Because what is meant for you cannot be taken from you. Your life has meaning. Your pain has purpose. Your journey has direction. You are not alone in your struggle. You are being guided, protected, prepared. So rise today with courage. Rise with faith. Rise with peace. Remember this always. You are loved beyond measure. You are stronger than your fears. Your story is not over. Walk in faith. Walk in purpose. Walk in peace. Because the words that change lives are the ones you choose to believe.